Hey Dan, why my vlog? And this is Project Moto. This is 2013 Z-Force, and the oil cooler line was leaking, as you saw in that last video. So what I just did is I used a hacksaw blade, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a crush. A crush union on half. Hopefully I get the right size. And we're going to go from there. Like I said, I just used a hacksaw. Use a slow hacksaw because you don't want to get, you can see I got freaking metal already in here. Not good. So I couldn't get this thing, couldn't get the pipe cutter in there. So I'm doing that right now. Using the pipe cutter to smooth that out. If you get a pipe cutter in there, you're in much better shape. I want it so I get a nice smooth cut. Come up here. Trying enough to get in there. Yeah. Who would think you could cut a piece of pipe by just going around in circles? Nice. I'm gonna spray that out of there. I guess get some brake cleaner. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut this other section out of here because this is right where that crazy pinhole is. Done. I'm gonna be doing short. By a little bit. Not giving me much. Not much room. See, I have the right size line. Huh. Make it nice and smooth. Oh, nice and smooth. It's still too sharp. I have to get a small file. Well, I thought I was going to get away with being able to use a 3/8 crush on it, but it don't look like it's happening. So I guess I'm back to the drawing board of freaking putting another piece of hose over it. Doggone it. Not sure that would work. Won't go in there. Next size up is a half. And I know that's not gonna work. Alright, well, that idea for using the crimp, thought that was gonna be the perfect idea, but yeah, it wasn't. So unfortunately, if you've got plastic line, that'll work good on that. If you got copper line, that'll work good for that. So I'm back to using high pressure fuel line and high pressure clamps, just like what I got here. I hate doing that. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this piece here cut. Unfortunately, doing this, installing metal into the line. Slipping, slide it back up there. Okay, cut it straight out, find out where the pinhole is. There it is, right there. I can see it. Right in the freaking middle. Okay. So with that said, fortunately I got some nice burrs around it now. Get your burrs out of there. Over brake fluid. Should clean that line, right? All right. The next line doesn't. The next setup here isn't gonna leak on me. Yeah. Okay. Measurement on here, my finger. All the way up. And if you want, good idea to put two clamps on it. But it'll be alright. It'll be alright. There. Somebody gotta cut it off. How you doing that? See. Something to cut it with. I got some wire. like metal cutters. Okay. Lots. Impact on it. Back on both of them. Yeah, I'll do it. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten these down. What am I using here? Oh, it's high pressure. Fuel, it's an 8, right? Yeah. Of course it's an 8. Alrighty, here we go again. Okay, sure of that. At least for this time around. Next thing I'm doing is putting the adapter on here, so I can hook up a snow plow. So here we go. I got to get in there and double check the oil level now, because I have no idea how long it's been leaking. I just noticed it leaking when I got in here to do this. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and just keep in mind as it gets older. Here's your oil cooler line, and you've got these clamps that are clamping your lines. The moisture gets under there, and it's going to rust them out. So I'm not even going to bother to put them back on there, because they're not rubbing, they're not touching. So I'm not even gonna worry about them. So because I'm in good shape with the front one up here, and that'll keep me from having to. Alright. So, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely.